Hi, so my name's Casey. I'll be giving you a quick tour of vitamin C. Real quick, what is vitamin C? So basically, it's a multi-language test runner, and really, when you get down to it, all vitamin C does is it watches a folder for any file modifications and basically runs and execute commands. In this case, it just so happens that the commands we want run execute tests via the command line. Right now, it's a multi-language test runner, and right now it's got full support for Python and PHP out of the box. However, coming very shortly will be JavaScript, and it's real simple to add more. It's just a JSON file with regular expressions, which we can get into that later. So I wanted to give a quick demo just to kind of show you what it's about. And so what we want to do is you want to go to GitHub. Well, where you're currently at, and you want to download vitamin C somewhere on your computer, and then you want to start a web browser. And so I'm going to go ahead. I'm actually already here in vitamin C in the www folder, so I'm going to go ahead and just start up the server here on localhost, and we'll go ahead and get vitamin C going. So here's vitamin C. You can see I've got some projects here, but I'll show you how to create a new project and also give you a quick demo of it. So real fast. So I've got this demo folder here on my laptop, and as you can see here, it's just got some PHP files that have unit tests in them with success, failures, and different languages. So again, PHP and Python. So what we'll do is we'll create a project. We'll go ahead and add these three tests, and then I'll give a quick tour of it. So what we want to do here is I'm going to go ahead and create a project called VC Demo. I'm going to give it the base path of, again, the folder that I want. So it's in my Dropbox under code under a folder called Demo. These are just some of the files that we want to ignore. So I don't really care about if these files get modified. I don't really care, if swaps get added or DS stores get added. There's also some other ones. I think it's like dot idea is a good one. So anyway, so what we'll do is we'll save this project here. And as you see, it's trying to run tests, and it doesn't have any tests right now, so you have zero tests, zero assertion. So what we'll do here is, I know I've got that Python test in here, so we're going to go ahead and add this Python. I also know I have some PHP tests in here, so I know I have success, and I know I have a failure in here. So the nice thing about this is, is how it's set up. It's set up to be. I use Vim. Of course, you can use any editor that you want because it's not editor specific. But the idea is kind of like simple test. How you get that nice green red bar. You get a red bar with the error code with what's going on down below. And again, anytime you make changes to this folder in here, so we're going to touch a file called whatever.txt. And as you can see here, it went through and it tried to rerun all the tests again because there was a new file modification in there. So I know that this test push and pop failed asserting in PHP failures. So we're going to go ahead and open up this guy right here, PHP failures. And I just so happen to know that this should actually be returning 0. And again, you can see that in the error message, failed asserting that 0 matches the expected 8. So I'm going to write that and save my test. And as you can see there, now I get a nice green bar indicating that my test had passed. And again, keep in mind, it's totally, language agnostic, IDE agnostic. So right here, we'll just assert false. We'll just change this to true, save it again. And as you can see, not only is it in Python, but now you're also getting the error in Python right there. So again, we could do this in Atom. We could do this in whatever browser that we wanted here. So yeah, so that's just a quick tour of vitamin C. It's still in its early stages. I'm not quite sure if I want to keep going with it or not. But if you've got any feedback or you'd like to submit a pull request, I'm all ears. So thanks. Bye.